Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we got going on today? Well, today ain't one of the most fun things to do. I did a run yesterday. Today I got to clean my still. And I had a few people ask me, well, what do you do to clean your still? Well, we're going to get into that. Okay, but there's first things first you can do. If you haven't got a chance yet to do it, please hit that subscribe button down there. It will give us a big boost, okay? All right, now let's get started. What I usually end up doing is I usually let my still cool down overnight, and then I'll clean it the next day, next morning, or whatever I can. Okay, so what you basically do, you're going to just start disassembling. Of course, you're going to start at the top and work your way down. Alright, and then what I usually do is I wash it as I put it, as I take it apart. I know this ain't the most exciting stuff to do. But basically what I do is basically you're just going to give it a good rinse. Take a little brush to it. Give it a good rinse. We get the next piece. It's not rocket science. But I do like to rinse everything out. And if you got a cardboard brush, cardboard brush like this, that's all it takes. There's the dome. It's got a little bit of nastiness to it. As long as you don't wait too long, it comes off pretty easy. Like I said, this ain't one of the most favorite things in the world to do. Now the copper, that's a little bit different story. Basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just rinse it out. And then I get a couple of them, then I'll clean them a different way. That'd be a different video though. Okay, let's take just a little stop on the video. I wanted to show you something how I do clean my copper scrubbers. Basically this recipe for this solution, it came from George over at Barley and Hops. It works pretty good, so why change it, you know? Okay, the recipe, he calls it 551. 500 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 ounce of citrus acid. So easy to do. We'll add in our 50 milliliters hydrogen peroxide, and we'll add in our 1 ounce of citrus acid. Give it a little shake, get it all mixed up. Okay, so here's my copper scrubbies. They look a little nasty, don't they? So what I usually do is I keep some, and once I get enough to clean, then we'll just clean them out. So I just roll them up like this. Oop. And just let them soak for a little bit, and you'll see they will come clean. Alright, so I'll stop it. Let that soak for a bit, then I'll bring them out and let you see what they look like. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Every once in a while I just gave it a shake. They look nice and clean. I mean, you can, I don't know if you can see, the liquid in there is just as green as can be. Whoop. I mean, see the solution? Nice clean copper. Ready to reuse again. All I have to do is I'll rinse it off with good water and be ready to use again. Alright, so now let's wash out this boulder. Just give it a little squirt. I like to give everything a wipe down. And that's basically it. I mean, simple, don't take very long. I always give her a look down in there and make sure I didn't scorch anything, well, which I did not, so that's a good thing. Then I always leave it on. Okay, so like I said, I leave it apart for a day or so, make sure everything dries up and dries out, and then I'll just reassemble it, you know, just have everything together, nothing gets lost. Very simple process. Now I have scorched in the bottom of my pot before. Now that gets a little bit challenging, a lot of elbow grease to clean that out. So you try not to do that, right? That's basically all I do to clean it up. Okay, so then she'll be ready for the next run. I think that's about it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.